Hey there, I'm Savanna with Fancii. I'm a professional makeup artist, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve the cut crease eye look. So first of all, what is a cut crease? A cut crease is a technique used to define the crease by cutting it. The cut, which is usually created with concealer, is not blended, which forms a clear crease on the eye. The cut crease gives the appearance of a larger eye, and if you have hooded eyes or folds, this technique will give you the appearance of a bigger and brighter looking eye. So first and foremost, you want to make sure that your eyelid is clean of any oils. To do this, I like to use a micellar water. And next, to prep the lid, you're going to want to apply a thin layer of concealer or an eyeshadow primer. Today I use the concealer Tarte Shape Tape. And after blending out the concealer and ensuring that there are no creases, you're going to want to set your eye with either a loose translucent setting powder, or you can use a skin tone colored eyeshadow. Today I use the RCMA No Color Powder. And of course, you can use whatever colors your heart desires. Today, I'm just going to stick with some neutral colors. I'm going to be using ColourPop's Give It To Me Straight palette. And because I have already done my face makeup and I want to ensure that I don't have any eyeshadow falling onto my face, I'm just going to place some of that RCMA translucent powder under my eyes. I'm lightly placing it, I'm not pressing it in, just so that if any eyeshadow falls, it falls right onto this powder and I can sweep it away afterwards. First, I'm going to take a neutral brown shade and I'm going to sweep it in and above my crease. And today I will be using Aura to do my cut crease. And I love using Aura to do my eyeshadow because it conquers bad beauty lighting with its color correct lighting, so it helps me see the true colors of my eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to take a slightly darker brown shade and focus it a little bit lower than the first shade we put down. Remember that with any eyeshadow look, blending is key, so you may need to go back and forth between the first shade, second shade, and even the third shade to make sure that everything is nice and blended. Finally, I'm going to take an even darker brown, slightly lower and more defined in the crease. Don't worry if you get any eyeshadow on your lid, we're going to clean that right up when we do our cut crease. Now we get into the cut crease. There are different techniques to achieving a cut crease, and today I'm going to show you two different techniques. Using a flat brush, I'm going to take some concealer and place it along my lash line and the bottom of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to position my head downward and then look up with my eyes. This should give you a line above your natural crease, giving you a guide for your cut crease. Now, cut crease looks can vary. There are two types of cut crease I usually execute. One is where the cut follows through the entirety of the eye. The other is where the cut stays within 2/3 of the eye and is closed off with shadow. That's the look I'm going to go for today. So now I'm going to take that same brush and follow that guideline I just created up until the outer third of my eye. And then I'm just going to pack the concealer onto my eyelid. Now I'm just setting it lightly with the powder, and I'm going to go in with a light colored eyeshadow to put on my lid. You can use a matte shadow, shimmer, glitter, whatever you'd like, but today I'm going to stick with the shimmer. So for my other eye, I'm not going to use the same technique. Instead, I'm going to look directly into my Aura mirror with a relaxed face. And once I've located my natural crease, I'm going to place my cut crease right above that fold. This ensures that you can see my shadow and it gives the illusion of a bigger, brighter eye. And then once I've created that cut crease, I'm just going to put that same shimmer shade onto my lid. So next we need to apply and blend eyeshadow to the outer corner, and to do this I'm going to use Mila. And I like to use Mila for up close detail work because of its compact, easy to hold size, and its natural daylight LED lights help me see what I'm doing. So now I'm going to take that second shadow we used and start blending it in the outer corner, connecting the lid color to the colors in our crease. To add a little more depth and definition, I'm going to take that third darker color we used and place it really focused in the outer corner. And now our cut crease is complete. And now you can add lashes, some bottom eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner, whatever you feel comfortable with. So I just changed my lip to something a little bit more cohesive with this eye look, but this completes our cut crease tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you can use these techniques in your makeup routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.